y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So I was perusing on TikTok as one does, and I saw somebody make a smash burger, and I was like, I forgot about smash burgers because I've never been a smash burger. I was already vegan by then. Either way, it came out so good and it was really easy. I think it's perfect for a weeknight if you want something a little indulgent, or perfect for the weekend, or whatever. Eat whatever you want. So if you want to see how I made a vegan smash burger, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so if you know me or have been watching for any like amount of time at all, you know I don't like going through nothing. And I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, where like 10 is like trials and tribulations and 1 is a sunny day, I would say this is like a 4. No, like a 3, because you gotta press it down. And I can't remember if I left in the footage of me like struggling a little bit. It really depended on like what kind of mood I was in, so we'll see when we get there. But either way, I'm gonna start out by making a burger sauce. If you've been rocking with me for a minute, this might look like I made a Big Mac sometime, maybe 2020, 2021, something like that. And this is like an identical sauce. I make this sauce pretty, I wouldn't say frequently, but if I want like a little fry moment and I don't feel like doing ketchup or ranch, like I'll make the little burger sauce. It's very simple. Honestly, I put ingredients in the recipe, what's it called? Oh my God, measurements. Don't you trust me? I put measurements in the recipe. But really that's just a jumping off point, because after that you got to adjust it to your taste. Because I think after I did this, I was like, oh, it needs a little bit more barbecue sauce, and it was too mustardy, because mustard, if you give her an inch she takes a mile type of girl, you know what I'm saying, like she don't sit in a corner, she don't be quiet, so you can't like do too much. But same thing with barbecue sauce, but like in a different way. It's a lot of personalities going on. It has to be balanced, but it has to be balanced to you. Okay, but that's really, really easy. I'm gonna use Beyond Meat. No too impossible. I just feel like every girl has their lane. And I feel like in my experience, you know, Impossible, she's just like me. She don't have to go through nothing. So anytime you're gonna squeeze her down or mix her around, like Beyond Beef is gonna stick together a little bit more. You can use Impossible. I feel like in my onion burger, my Flying Dutchman burger video, I might use Impossible meat. But like when I was like planning this video, I'm like, I'm gonna use Beyond, because I'm trying to have a good week. Because if this video fails, because I had a video fail. This was not what you're supposed to see. I didn't have another fail in me. It didn't really fail. It was kind of my fault. I'm gonna make it again, but I made a 7-Up cake for Easter. I still have the cake, but like for aesthetic reasons, I don't want to talk about it. The cake is good, but I didn't have another fail in me, so I needed to use a grill that I knew would hold up to the pressure. Oh yeah, what I did was I split the package into 4, so basically like a 1/4 pound for each one. That's what we're gonna use to smash down. You just put it into a little ball. Boom. Okay, Katie, why did you use so much butter? I don't know. Please, I'm just a girl. I was like, oh, what's going on here? But you're gonna take a little bit of butter. You're gonna saute your onions until they are to your doneness, and your doneness level, appreciation, whatever you like. Okay, I did leave it in. That's crazy. So I was like, ooh, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm going with a cutting board. And I was like, oh no. Okay, then I was looking around. I was like, okay, let me use a little onion container. And this was working. And then I was like, oh, I have something with a flat bottom. Because the thing is, like, I could have gone to my cupboard and got like a little plate or something. But like, you know how it'd be having like the ridge at the bottom? This like Pyrex thing had like a flat bottom. And the whole point of a smash burger is you want to get it as flat as you can, because you want the edges to be crispy. So if it's not flat enough, it's just gonna be a burger, which you could do, ain't nobody stopping you, but like, you know, let's stick to the plot. Okay, you're gonna do a little simple seasoning. I just said seasoned salt and black pepper. You can do more, you could do less, whatever you want to do. And I kept smashing it down some more because I was like, no, let's live up to the title of the video. It can't give burger. And then we're gonna flip it. You see them crispy bits, like literalmente, just like that. You go season the other side, and then you're gonna put a little piece of vegan cheese. Now let me tell you about Daya. Daya is a masterclass in a redemption arc, because I was there in 2018 when Daya was serving sandpaper. You want a day of cheese? You could go to Home Depot or you could go to Wegmans. I was there. And you know what the girls did? They went back to the lab. They got some chemists with some degrees and they said, let's mix this up. My girl is melting. You understand me? Listen, you gotta give props are due because I was there. When I put the lid on the joint and she melted, I said, you know what? One thing we can do is give props. One thing we can do is be honest. Daya is a masterclass in a redemption arc. Ain't nothing stopping you from going back to the lab. Ain't nothing stopping you from rebranding. Okay, anyway, there's my burger. I loaded it up with you saw it, like the little onions, a little sauce. I feel like a pickle would be cute on there. Lettuce, tomato, all those stuff would be cute. But I was just trying to keep it to, 6 or 7 o'clock. But anyway, this was so good. It was super easy. I think it's worth the effort. I think I see the vision because the texture changes the experience. And you could load up the patties. I had to make this in the middle of the day and I was not trying to be slumped. So I did one, but if you try it, let me know. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. If you made it this far in the video, let me know what I should make next. I want to hear from you. Thank you again for watching. The link to the recipe is in the description box and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.